Hello guys, welcome back. As promised, I would be reviewing HP Omen Sequencer optical mechanical keyboard. I have been using this for a week now for both official as well as gaming. I would be going ahead with some details about this, as well as just wait and watch in the end of the video for the all black lighting effect of this keyboard, which is quite beautiful. So let's start the review. So this keyboard, as you can see, is a very full-size keyboard. It has aluminium anodized frame, which looks really good, and it's sturdy. It has its own media keys. It provides N-key rollover and 100% anti-ghosting, 16 million colors, and a lot of dedicated command center keys and all. So I've been using it, and I have a very strong good feeling about it, a better feeling as compared to other keyboards which I have used. As you can see, this keyboard has some keys, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. So these are the dedicated macro keys. So having dedicated macro keys helps because you don't need to search for your special keys in between the whole keyboard. There is HP Omen Command Center, which you can find in later part of this video. I'll be going through that, so you can see how we can configure these macro keys in Command Center, and it really enhances the keyboard as a gaming keyboard, which is not there in other keyboards. So here you can see the different lighting effects and settings. So basically you have static and animated settings for the keys. So you can set up static color sets for each of the keys. This is all controlled by HP Omen Command Center, and here you can just set different colors for respective keys as per your game settings or game modes which you want. There are a lot of combinations which you can try and test. There is a way you can dedicate some colors for certain functions. So while playing the games, you are really knowing as to where your key sets are. So this I like this function as far as game mode is concerned, and it really enhances the gameplay. Let's go through some animated effects using the function keys. So function 1 will give you a cyclic effect which changes colors at every delay. So this is a good effect. I normally use it because it's like a continuous effect. And then function 2 will give you a starlight effect, which lets the keys randomly. I don't prefer this because for me it doesn't make sense. Function 3 is breathing effect. This is also a good effect. The only problem with this is it's giving just one choice of color, but it's a nice effect. Function 4 is again ghosting effect. So this is like just no light, and when you press any key there's a light backlit. Function 5 is ripple effect. This is also like no light, and when you press it gives you ripple effect. Function 6 is wavy effect. This is also a good effect which I normally use for just for a change. Function 7 is again line streak effect, so it lights up the whole line when you press a key. Function 8 is raindrop effect. So let's go through the command center. So these are the all color cycle types and all, which I was explaining in the earlier section. So everything which I was doing with the function key can be done with this command center. So basically this command center is the heart of the keyboard. If you don't have this command center, then there is a you cannot use major functions of the keyboard, and this is the major disadvantage which I saw in this. Otherwise the keyboard and this command center is really good. There's another thing which is a problem is if there are Mac users, they cannot use this because there is no HP Omen command center for Mac. So here whatever I have shown earlier, I was explaining earlier, like setting up your own color sets for different sections of keys, selecting multi-zone or WASD mode, which are presets, FPS mode, first point shooter, or MoMA mode, multiplayer online mode, and then the macro key settings and all. So you can do a lot of things in this. You can do a lot of customizations. You can set your own macros for the 5 macro keys, doing a multi-selection, multi-key with delays and fixed delays and all those stuffs. So whoever like is deep into gaming will enjoy this kind of like command center control of the keyboard. Yeah, this is all what command center gives you. So let's take a look at the key switch. So this keyboard uses a blue switch which utilizes a light beam detection mechanism. It looks similar to a Cherry MX blue switch, and the click is almost like similar, and you will enjoy it. It gives you 10 times faster than the mechanical switch as claimed by HP. Ever seen such a beautiful roller? Yes, this is the volume control. It's accurate, it feels good, and it gives you a overall control of the volume when you need it, and it's really nice. So another hidden gem which I really found out after 2 days, that there is a USB port over here. You can use it to connect your mouse, so you don't have to connect multiple cables and a whole lot of clutter of wire. You just need to connect this 2 USB cables to your computer, and that's it. This will act as a pass-through. It's really nice. So when you're buying the keyboard, just check out the keyboard layout. I got a layout which might be not specific to my region because of these alphabets, which I don't know are Italian or Spanish, but I'm okay with it. So another thing is this big space bar. I sometimes like it, but sometimes I don't like it. I have a mixed feeling about it, because it sometimes it interferes when you're doing some regular work instead of gaming. And also the cables are very good. They are very heavy duty, so I find the quality very good. Here is a lighting effect which is taken in dark. and it will show you all the effects which the keyboard provides, and it really is beautiful. So just check till the end. As far as the review for this keyboard is concerned, it is a good keyboard because it is coming at a very discounted or cheap price, and you really get it at a discounted price if you search it. It gives you most of the media controls, and there are a lot of gaming options with HP Omen Command Center, giving you more enhanced capabilities. And the mechanical feedback, of course, that is the best thing. It really is mechanical. So just go ahead and check it out. If you watched this video and liked it, so just like the video, subscribe to the channel. I would be coming back with more such reviews on different products. Thanks a lot and enjoy the day.